if you want to turn off the stolen device protection feature on your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, and the Plus, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. First of all, just go to Settings, then tap on Face ID and Passcode. Then enter your lock screen passcode. And on this page, you will find the option of Stolen Device Protection. Just tap on it. Now just disable this toggle to disable Stolen Device Protection. Now just scan your face using Face ID. And once you do that, you will disable the Stolen Device Protection feature on your iPhone. Now, if you select Always Require Security Delay, and if you try to disable Stolen Device Protection, it will not get disabled right away. It will show you this page and it will ask you to wait for an hour for that security delay duration to end. Now just scroll this page, then tap on Start Security Delay. Now as you can see, this is the remaining time of the security delay. Now just wait for an hour, then after an hour just come back to this page and disable Stolen Device Protection. And by doing that, you will disable Stolen Device Protection on your iPhone. And once the 1 hour mark is completed, just go back to Settings, tap on Face ID and Passcode, then enter your lock screen passcode. And from here, just go back to Stolen Device Protection. Then instead of Always, just select Away from Familiar Locations. After you do that, you will be able to disable Stolen Device Protection. Now just scan your face using Face ID. And as you can see, we have successfully disabled Stolen Device Protection on our iPhone. Also remember that you should not power off or restart your iPhone when the security delay is running in the background, because the security delay will start all over again and you will have to wait for an hour again. And this is how you can turn off Stolen Device Protection on the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, and the Plus. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.